Hello everyone. I'm Sushyata Sengupta Roy, Assistant Professor in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, and today I'm going to take you to a small tour on the subjects and the details of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, which is affiliated under Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, previously known as West Bengal University of Technology. Now, we have sparkling campuses in it's in Karbala, which is in Narendrapur. We have the Beta campus in Govindapur. The total group is under Swami Vivekananda Group of Institute, a combination of 14 major colleges under MACAUT and a university. Now, 2021, so it is like a blow to all the guardians. And it is just a small venture where we can give the guardians a small detail about what can be the professional courses available at a very minimum, bare minimum fee structure and can be affordable by everyone, even in this pandemic situation. Now, we have a sparkling campus, huge, beautifully designed with labs. All the classrooms are air conditioned, and the subjects we offer are we offer BBA, which is Bachelor of Business Administration. We offer BCA, which is Bachelor of Computer Application. We offer absolutely pure science subject like BSc Honors in Microbiology. We offer BSc Honors in Biotechnology. We do offer BBA Honors in Travel and Tourism Management. We have BSc Honors in Media Science. And finally, we have BSc Honors in Hospitality and Hotel Administration. We have few subjects in the master degree too. So after the graduation, students can always go for the masters. We have MSc in Media Science, MSc in Computer Science, and MSc in Biotechnology. So we can understand that we have combination of subjects which are absolutely professional courses, job oriented courses. Life has become really very tough, and one has to study those subjects that can give them the job easily and obviously well paid. We don't want to be threatened with our future. We want to be secure with our future. Now, to be secured, we need good infrastructure, good teachers, and a good college with a good affiliation. Now, we'll talk about the infrastructure first. All the classrooms are air conditioned, absolutely airy and enormous. It's huge. It's spacious classrooms. Rooms are well furnished. The classrooms are equipped with it's a modern smart classroom equipped with LCD projectors, smart boards, microphones, interactive learning sessions, and the most effective teaching learning process. So other than that, the computer labs are centrally, this it's a central computer center with around 300 computers in the whole college. So because student doesn't have to share the computer, they can use it one to one. The infrastructure also includes an enormous library. Now, the students of our college doesn't need to they don't need to buy any book at all. We can obviously get the books from the book bank facility for 6 months. They can have it in their own houses and they can study. They can refer, they can write notes, they can create their own materials and return those books back after 6 months, like after the completion of the semester, and get the next semester books. So basically, at least at the present situation, guardians can be relieved from the burden of buying books of thousands and thousands of rupees. It's quite huge. Now, when we talk about the course offered like the BBA and the BBA tourism, the classroom includes there's the management part. The classroom is a role playing, like they have business schemes, we have simulation classes, the case studies, assignments, projects, presentations, business quiz, interactive parts, and also we also have a foreign language which is taught to the students, which is really very important to get good jobs in the future. Now, when we talk about the Department of Management Science, the students in this department have the opportunity to interact with the industry person. Those are absolutely one-to-one interaction, the solo seminars, workshops, pre-placement talks. Industrial visits are also organized to make students exposed to real-life business practices. So Institute also has a dedicated EDP cell to encourage entrepreneurship. Now, when we after the management department, we have the obviously the computer application or the computer science department. So the computer science department is obviously the future. It's like it has all the computerizations. The courses offered are BCA and MSc Computer Science. So it's an extensive training. It is provided to the students through classroom lectures, practical assignments, state of art labs, basic programming labs, Oracle lab, Java lab, Unix lab, and live projects. Even during this pandemic situation, we are having regular classes like we are doing it in the college. Absolutely, from 10:30 in the morning to 4:30 in the evening. It's absolutely a packed up class like college. Like the only difference is the student doesn't have to travel all the way to the college. Their college is right at their laptops. Now, workshops are conducted on regular basis to make students industry ready. Windows apps workshops by Microsoft Corporation, ethical hacking workshops by CSA, HTML5 and CSS workshops, Android workshops are the name of some of the few workshops which we do for the BC and the MSc Computer Science students. Now we'll come to another absolute, as I said before, it's absolutely a pure science department, which is a department of biotechnology and microbiology. Absolutely a research oriented subject. The courses offered are BSc Biotechnology, BSc Microbiology, and Masters, which is the MSc Biotechnology. The basic key academic areas where the students are exposed to are molecular biology, genetics, biochemistry, plant tissue culture, immunology, bioinformatics, biomathematics, instrumentation, biodiversity, environmental science, chemistry, and computer science. So, lab work, assignments, projects works, presentation are the integral part of the teaching learning process of the biotechnology and the microbiology lab. Now, the next lab we'll be talking about is the Department of Hospitality and the Hotel Administration. We all know about the hotel administration, the hotel management. This is hospitality and hotel administration. It involves a huge area. So we strongly believe in continuous education in theory as well as the practical component. And like as such, the college has a state-of-art infrastructure to enable students to explore unique nature of hotel management. So we have around 8 specialized labs, which is as per the syllabus of the MACAUT, and the labs we believe are like the food production department, the bakery, the food and the beverage service department, training restaurant, mock bar, housekeeping department, training cafeteria, and obviously the computer lab. Finally, we'll come to another department, which is the media science department. So all of us know about the media department. It's basically divided into 4 main specializations. One is the journalism, which includes your TV journalism, radio journalism, and cyber journalism. 2 is public relationship, advertisement, and event management, wherein public relationship gives you a lot of government job options to banks, to government options like CESC, WBCSC. So these are places, or every other place, even hospitals need public relationship officers as of now. So PR, advertisement, and event management is the second specialization of our media science department. The third department, the electronic media, which includes the TV, radio, cinema, pre-production and post-production, including the production or like the promotion of the produced materials, like the social media production, the social media PR, or it also includes the editing part, videography, stills, video cameras, so videography, photography, editing. So these are all included. It all includes the audio labs and other things are included. And the fourth one is the graphics media or the animation. Now, when we talk about the graphics media, as of today, we talk about from the films to advertisement, anything and everything, even a news. When we see a news in a channel, even graphics are used in news too. Without the graphic, even news cannot be formulated. Like putting things in the right place is so important. So media is just everywhere, even in this pandemic situation. If you think about, like, media does have its own opportunity, and media does have, they have cultivated a lot of jobs, because when there are problems, you need more of journalists. When there is more of journalists, you need them to write down that. So you need more of copywriters. You need more of publishers. You need people to present that. You need, that's like, there's that if it is in the cinematograph part, you need people to work on the camera. You need people to edit on this. So situation whatsoever, media rules the world. So I don't need to tell much about media. This is the media science department, and we have extensive lab on videography, still photography, editing lab with obviously iMac with the Final Cut Pro. We have still editing lab, audio lab. We have, apart from these, indoor labs, we have regular outdoors and studio sessions too for the best practices of the students. So like we want the students to work with different channels also. So there are training sections with different channels. Now the next part, or the next most important part, is the faculties. So because without best of faculties, we really cannot think about creating best of students for the best of placement. So this is the list of faculties we have. Almost all the faculties are PhD, or they are on the process of completing that, they are PhD pursuing. So we have a quality faculty to give you the best of options and the best of teaching learning process. Now we'll come to the management department, or the BBA, or the BBA travel and tourism. Again, the same thing. We have master degrees and PhDs. So some people have already submitted their PhDs, and others are almost on the way of completing it. So this is like the combination of the best of faculties we have. Will come to the, obviously the hotel management department will also come under the management department. So we have a lot of people from the industry, absolutely hospitality industry, and they can teach you the best of way to get through get to the market and conquer. So then we have the biotechnology and the microbiology faculty list. Again, you'll find a lot of MPhils and PhDs all over the faculty list, because the best of teachers, as I said before, gives that they can obviously manufacture the best of students. Now we have, next is the department of media science. Again, media science, it's a combination of people from the industry, from the channels, and people who are experienced in the academics for 22 years. Somebody is 24 years, as I see, the first one, Ranjan sir, he's around 24 years. He was in the Jadavpur University, now with us. So we have Manop sir, he was with Balaji Telefilms for editing purpose. He was there for around 22 years. So it's like the faculty list is like elaborated list, and it gives you an absolute clear vision that we have the best of faculties. Now, apart from studies, we have some extracurricular activities. We have PETIs every time when the college is open. And even during this pandemic, we have organized a series of digital programs. They're like on a digital platform. We have organized series of cultural programs on a digital platform. Now we have our fest. The cultural fest is named Jashan, and the freshest program is, we call it Parichiti. And these are like gala. These are gala options, or gala programs which we organize in our campus. Now we have a lot of sports activities like football, cricket. Like we have a music club, we have videography club, we have sports club. So these are like extracurricular activities which students can explore themselves to their maximum. The next, like after getting the best of infrastructure and the best of teaching learning process, after getting the best of faculties, comes to the placement. So like we have placed our students to the best possible companies, because we don't need to do it, because our students are the best and they get the best. So these are very, very few companies I've given you a logo of, but you can find so many more. So like almost like either the students go for masters or they go for job. So for the media, these are the companies where the media students have been placed. The placement has been always the best. Now, at the end, we can obviously say that Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science will give you success. They will give you the entry to the glamour world, where you can talk about yourself and say that, yes, I am successful because I just deserve it. Now, then we'll go to a small part, like this is some of the infrastructures, and then is the fee structure. For the MSc, I believe we have the minimum fees amount, 10,000 for admission and 35,000 per semester for almost all the MSc programs. Then we have the undergraduations like the BBA, BCA, the admission will be 15,000 and semester will be 22,500, totals 1,50,000. BSc Microbiology and Biotechnology, the admission is 15,000, semester is 25,000, total comes to 1,65,000. Then we have our BBA Travel and Tourism Management and BSc Honors in Media Science. Both has the same fee structure, like admission 15,000 and semester is 22,500, which total comes to 1,50,000. And finally, we come to BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Administration, wherein admission charge is 15,000 and semester 35,000. Total comes to 2,25,000. Because Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science comes under it is a part of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology, which is a non-profit seeking trust. Our fees are the minimum, at the bare minimum, but we give you the best of infrastructure, best of teaching, and obviously the best of placement. Thank you for now. I believe I've given you at least a small hint of the details and the departments we have in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science. For more details, you can obviously contact the college. We are always there to help you out. Thank you.